Want this?
Money pull up, action, we are turn it up. Drop it up, pull up, hot, 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 yeah we hot. Then I want it to it up.
Money pull up.
I got you. Let's start. Open Capcut and select the clips on which you'll be working on. Change duration of the clips according to beats. Extract the audio. Once done, add keyframe at the very beginning and ending of clips. Go to Basic and zoom in a bit at the very end of clips. Now go to Opacity and add keyframes, one at the very end and another a little back from first. Now go to Graphs and select Ease Out. Select the first clip and go to Animation. Select Swing Bottom. Select Next Clip and choose Swing Right. Apply both the animations in alternate manners. Now go to Animation again and choose Fade Out. Make the duration nearly about 0. Now go to Overlay and choose White Screen. Make a cut of nearly about 0.3 seconds. Go to Animation and choose Fade Out. Copy the white screen 11 times and apply it at very beginning of the clips. Now come at the intro and add effects. Come to the first clip and add oblique blur. Make it small and through Object, apply to all video. Apply both the blurs in alternate manners. Now go to Effects again and choose Diamond Zoom. Make it as small as possible, size 25, intensity 30. Export your video. Go back and add the video in New Project. Extract the audio and delete the black part. Make a split after the intro and copy it. Remove the excess part. Make splits on 3, 5, 7, and 9 clips. Go back and add a black screen as project. Add your text. Adjust the video's quality, coloring, and you are done. Hope this was helpful. See you next time. Bye-bye.